The tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite was able to climb out of early losses, ultimately closing with the softest advance on Thursday, up 1.98 points, plus 0.02% to 7,998.06. The Dow Jones Industrial Average was the best performer today, up 110.00 points, plus 0.42% to 26,559.54, and the S&P 500 ended in the middle, higher by 4.58 points, plus 0.16% to 2,905.03. The cloud computing space was the best-performing subsector in tech on Thursday, evidenced by the 0.34% gains out of the First Trust Cloud Computing ETF. Decent gains were had out of industry names like Netflix, Intuit, and Alphabet, with a very decent portion of the advance owed to Microsoft's continued surge through all-time highs. First Trust Cloud Computing ETF, SKYY 59.40, plus 0.20. Netflix, NFLX 360.35, plus 5.61, plus 1.58%, Intuit, INTU 257.77, plus 1.50, plus 0.59%, Alphabet, Google 1241.47, plus 1.33, plus 0.11, Microsoft's MSFT 123.37. plus 1.60, plus 1.31%. Action was pretty well split elsewhere in technology, as the software, semiconductor, and social media groups all had just as many equities in positive territory at the closing bell as in negative territory. In the software group, the iShares Tech Software ETF finished little changed after finding support near the 209 level. Components, Zynga, Nutanix, and Teradata performed the best, while Yext, Benefit Focus, and Cloudera kept a lid on gains. Here, too, perhaps it was gains from bellwether Microsoft that helped the index stay above water. iShares Tech Software ETF, IGV 211.87, plus 0.28, plus 0.13%. Zynga, ZNGA 5.43, plus 0.18, plus 3.33%. Nutanix, NTNX 43.01, plus 0.91, plus 2.16%. Teradata, TDC 45.17, plus 0.75, plus 1.68%. Yext 20.27, minus 0.83, minus 3.91%. Benefit Focus, BNFT 38.34, minus 1.24, minus 3.13%. Cloudera, CLDR 10.73, minus 0.27, minus 2.50%. The chip space was little changed on Thursday, as judged by the VanEck Semiconductor ETF, settling down a bit after jumping to all-time highs yesterday. Shares of Qualcomm, after being up as much as 44% in the previous 2 days, settled down somewhat on Thursday. Intel and Marvell, too, quieted their action on the final session of the shortened week after a volatile Wednesday. VanEck Semiconductor ETF, SMH 117.73, plus 0.17, plus 0.14%. Qualcomm, QCOM 79.89, plus 0.81, plus 1.02%. Intel INTC 58.49, minus 0.07, minus 0.12%. Marvell, MRVL 24.85, minus 0.02, minus 0.08%. Components of the Global X Social Media Index were almost evenly split as well, with Hoya plus 4.18%, ZNGA plus 3.62%, Billy plus 3.07%. GLUU plus 1.92% and Spot plus 1.42%, topping the standings, and YNDX minus 2.25%, MEET minus 2.18%, Angie minus 1.12%, Momo minus 1.03%, and NTES minus 0.85%, finishing at the bottom. One notable news item in the social media space was two downgrades of Snap by Wedbush and Vertical Group, moving the stock to two-week lows at one point this morning. Global X Social Media Index SOCL 33.20, minus 0.05, minus 0.15%. Snap 11.67, minus 0.08, minus 0.68%. Thursday's 0.28% higher move in the S&P 500 information technology sector left the group near the top of the sector standings.